Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a video on Trade Tracker. This is a in-depth tutorial about how I track my trades and this journaling software that I've created. Uh, and yeah, I'll talk more about it right now and introduce it. So this is Trade Tracker. This is our homepage. We got some quick actions that you guys can read, some recent activity, and some quick stats on your P&L. Hop into the settings page. You can change your name, which shows on the dashboard. You can change the color of what you want your look to look like. We're going to be having a lot more customization options as well in the future. This is just for your data. Update checker stuff. These are two of our main features that we really like and that a lot of members enjoy. So first, going over the clarity panel. This is a panel. You can have it up while you're trading. It has tips for things you struggle with. So personally, uh, these are all the stuff that make me struggle as a trader, and I just pick ones that stick with me, turn them on. You can even create custom ones, and you can have it sync with your tilt meter, which we'll go into later, and clarity sessions. So it'll keep a journal of your focus reminders for tilt review. Those two I usually just keep on. When we turn it on, it pops up right here. You can drag it wherever you want. Like when I'm trading, I'll usually have it up right here. So then when I'm in a trade, say I'm in a trade right now, oh, I want to exit my trade early. Boom. Stuff right here to tell me not to, because that's one of my things is like I like exiting trades early or I like not trusting myself. So that's just there for that. So something I have up when I trade is this risk management toolkit. So when I have this on, I also have this on when I trade. It's usually I usually resize to be a little smaller than what it is right now. I'll have it like this. Trade the M and Q. So I personally like to risk 300 per trade, and my stop loss. Say I wanted to short this right now off this inverse. My stop loss is 23.5 handle. I put that in quickly. It gives me a contract sizing of 6.38. I'd round that down to 6 contracts, so I'm risking a little less than 300. So it's very quick to calculate your risk if you calculate it based on money sizing, which I do and many members do. AI assistant. So this is a big part of our program. This is our AI assistant. It helps you find out your weak points, your strong points, and things you can improve on. You can ask it any questions. You can type questions or even use our suggestions up here. So let's do an example of summarize my strengths, weaknesses, and what I should focus on next week. So we click that. It's working with our journal and our rules. It pulls in all of that data that you give it and all that data that it gets, and it gives you some info. So my statistics for the total P&L within 30 sessions is 838. I've taken 6 trades with a rate of, that's a crazy number, 7%, and my average loss is 284. My rule adherence is 100%. This is a big one. We really like focusing on psychology because it's a big part of trading. So our detected cues are patience, anxiety, discipline, and confidence. Talks more over here and what my weaknesses are. Weaknesses include 2 days of losses that exceed your emotional control, leading to missed opportunities and indecision. Focus on maintaining discipline, especially during the high stress situations. So yeah, and more psychology insights. If we hop into the stats page, we can look at our trading stats. So here's some more info. Our psychology meter. So this is expandable. It gives you a summary of your most recent trade and how you're doing emotionally on that. So, uh, my 10-10, which is Friday, where I caught that move, was heightened sentiment with medium tilt. So my leading emotions, patience, anxious, and confidence. It gives you some quick fixes, gives you some emotions that you're dealing with. And this is a really important graph because it shows you how you do when you're emotionally tilted and how that affects your win rate. You can see my win rate every time my win rate is up, my tilt is down. My tilt is up here, my win rate went down. My tilt went down here, my win rate went up. Tilt down, stuff like that. That just shows you how important psychology is, and that's what we focus on. right? Here you can create your day rules. So for me, it's one execution per day, 750 max loss because that's a 30% consistency rule on Apex. I don't have a profit target. I have some custom rules that I avoid the first 15 minutes of trading, avoid trading before red folder news, and not moving my stop loss. In our dashboard, we can see this is where you actually like do your stuff. So gives you a welcome message, nice welcome message. You can go through months and gives you your total PNL, stuff like that. And yeah, so hopping into a day, let's say this is a blank. You put your net PNL here. The symbol you traded, any economic news is here. You can pick your model. Then you could select what rules you followed, and if you didn't follow a rule and you save the trade, it'll ask you why you missed that rule and how will you fix it next time. And that all goes back into the AI analyst. Uh, so yeah, gives you a time in and time out. This is where you can give your pre-trade analysis and your post-trade analysis. I personally use there's a tool on Mac where it detects your voice, so I just press that and then I start just talking into the post and pre-trade analysis. And here we have uh photo selection, and yeah, that's all. That's it basically. And I hope you all enjoyed this quick little tutorial video. If you're interested in this, we are $20 a month for the beta. We are probably going to go up to $25 or $30 a month when we fully release, uh, whatever that might be. And the rest of the competition, if you didn't know, is around $40 to $50 a month. We have a yearly plan as well for 150, which is 30% off, a little more than 30% off. And the Discord and the website are down in the description below. Hope you all enjoyed this little different type of video, this informational type of video. I'll catch y'all tomorrow, Lord willing, Tuesday, October 14th. If I take a trade or if I don't take a trade, I'll probably just do market review or something. If you're new, subscribe. If you liked the video, found it useful, like the video, catch y'all tomorrow.